Welcome. This episode we will be building part 1-39L water tank tie rod. So let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 1-39L water tank tie rod for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So let's open up template, save 1-39L water tank tie rod. That's about red. Oh, we'll fix it later. I know it's the last one I did water tank. It's the water tank. Ah, well. As long as the project's then done. So let's go top. Sketch. We want circle. It's gonna be 6 mil. 6. That's gonna be total 290 mils. So feature extrude 290, mid-plane, and done. Now we want to go up top here. Thank you very much. We want hole wizard. Oh, no, not hole wizard, sorry. Thread. We want probably that one there. Down 15 mil. We'll do that as well. Clear that one. Thank you. That one. No. Click on that one. Thank you. But we want thread, not the M16. We want, was that 9 mil, wasn't it? So 9. It's going to be a 9, isn't it? Not 90? Seriously? It's no 9? We'll put 8. Let's put 8, see what happens. Yeah, that's the only problem. Why does it do that? Okay, I'm going to do something on this. I'm going to delete this thread. I'm going to do something that probably make it a little bit easier. Now, for some reason, it's got to be some way to go up. That bot there, that thread, that solid bit there. So annoying. But what I might do, let me just try something. Let me do that. Circle. That was what, 9 mil. So give that 8.9. Oh, sorry, 6 mil. 5.9. Sorry, it's 6 mil. Okay, so now let me do another circle. And that's going to be 9 mil. Oh, sorry, 6 mil. Now we're going to go feature, extrude, 15, and done. Okay, so we got that little bit there done, so that's cool. So now, if we just save that thread, we now do that edge. Okay, there you go. Now we've got the edge up there. Okay, that works. If there's another way around, you know how to do it, let me know. I'm always willing to learn and always happy to teach others. That's the idea of this. We all learn together and we all help each other. Okay, let me sketch that one, do another one this end. Do 1 circle, 2 circles, smart dimension, 5.9 and 6. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's off center. Delete that. Yeah, sketch. Thank you. Delete that. Okay, let me normal sketch. Do 2 circles. There we go. Yeah, science is best to zoom in. So 5.9. I could do that even less really, but and 6. Extrude 15 and done. There we go. Yeah, save that. Go to thread. Pick that one. Did I get it? I didn't. There we go. And okay. There we go. Got thread each end. Excellent. Let's rebuild. Let's zoom in. Thank you. So that is that piece done. So yeah, a bit of a hiccup there. We get there. Okay, anyway, that is piece 1-39L water tank tie rod done. So enjoyed that. Click the like button, comment and subscribe. Do appreciate it, and welcome everyone. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.